the lawlessness carries on. As you guys can see, whilst preaching, look at what happens. I'm not even going to show the full video because it's going to go crazy. It's going to end up getting blocked or something like that by YouTube. If you guys have just seen this discovery of the bishop, okay, what was his name? Mari, okay? And, I mean, mid-sermon, whilst preaching, attacked. And, you know, with you guys can see it there. It's just paused. It's just literally pausing. I'm hovering over. In fact, let me try and zoom in. Okay, so you guys can see. And then, you see that in the middle there? And then, boom, stops. It obviously didn't stop. It carries on. But in fact, hold on. I believe I can show you guys him. There we go. Being rushed away to hospital. So, I mean, are we in the end times? Let me know your opinions in the comment section down below. Are we in the end times? What's going on? I mean, with the whole war thing as well. The attack, the Iran and Israel thingy. You know when you're genuinely lost for word because you're like, there's just so much evil. You're like, you can genuinely see. A lot of people ask, well, how do you know the devil is real or all of this stuff? It's like, just look around the world and see the evil that's around the world. If that doesn't let you know that there is somebody orchestrating all of this at the very top, that the devil literally, you're watching it in real time. And if the devil exists, that automatically tells you that God must exist. I mean, I don't need to tell you that I have a right hand or left hand in this case. I don't need to tell you that I have a left hand. Straight away by you seeing my right hand, you're like, well, he must have a left hand. You can argue and say, oh, well, I haven't seen it, so you can argue and say, well, he doesn't because his left hand or arm could have been chopped off, regardless of it being chopped off or not. I had it. I must have it, or I must have had it. Why? Because you've seen that my right hand exists. It's the same thing. By you realizing all of this evil that's taking place around the world, all of the wars. I'm sure you've seen the pictures of children in Gaza who are parentless. Mom, dad gone. 3-year-old on the streets crying like, I don't know what to do, 9 years old. The evil in the world is becoming crazier and crazier. And as I said, like you hear rumors of not only earthquakes and all of these crazy things, but rumors of war. Terrible things taking place. Just have faith and hang in there because I guess Christ is on his way. So my prayer to you and I, ladies and gentlemen, is for us to remain focused on what Christ has promised us and to not lose our hope. Why? Because we don't want to lose our salvation in the process. So just remain in there, stay strong, and God will see us through, man. Hold on, is this guy smiling? I just seen it right there. Whoa. Look at the smile. He looks demonic. If that doesn't... Hold on. This is crazy. The guy was legit smiling. Oh, wait. Where is it? Why is it not reminding? You guys saw that. There we go. Here it is. Oh my goodness me. The world is wicked. The face of Bishop Mari's attack. Yeah, 100... And it's not just a normal, he looks evil. Like, he looks possessed. Like, it legit looks like a demon. I don't know any information about the attacker, so you guys let me know in the comment section down below who the attacker is. I don't know, where is he from, what religion. Guys, keep yourself safe when you're on the road, on the street. Do not be distracted. Don't walk around with massive pairs of headphones just plugged into music because people are just finessing and finishing people, wiping them off of this plane of existence, if you get what I mean, for nothing, for no reason. Pure evil. Pure evil. That is what the world is. So, stay strong. Keep yourself protected. Keep yourself guided. And, yeah, man, because we're seeing it here. We're generally seeing it here. I just don't want to show anything too explicit. And that's what you see. There's a bunch of videos here on TikTok that's just completely blocked off, you see. So there's all sorts of people who are just covering and talking about it because it's just ridiculous. Look at this. It's about to take place. And obviously, I'm going to take it off. There we go. They pause it. So, yeah, you guys let me know what Why? 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 God, please help us all. We need you. We need God more than ever. We need God more than ever, man. Like, share this video with someone, comment in the comment section what are your thoughts, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Check out this awesome video that you're going to be seeing popping up on the screen.